وإن شاء الله راح أحاول إني أحط أوراق عمل واختبارات تجريبية حق كل وحدة. طبعا هذا الفيديو الوحدة السادسة للصف الخامس. أول شيء راح نراجع إن شاء الله prepositions of time. Prepositions of time: on, in, at. When to use on, when to use in, and when to use at. Let's watch this video.
Use on with at, on, and in. Let's take a look at at. At is used with precise time. For example, at noon, at quarter past, at half past, at quarter to, at 1 o'clock. Right, let's move on to on. We use on with days of the week, like on Monday, on Tuesday, on Sunday. We also use it for dates. For example, on the 2nd of April, on the 3rd of October, on the 30th of December. And finally, we have in. We use in with months of the year, seasons, and years. Let's see some examples. For months of the year, we have in February, in July, in September. For seasons, in spring, in summer, in autumn, in winter. And lastly, years. In 1994, in 1981, in 2006, in 2012.
After watching the video, we know now when to use in, when to use on, and when to use at. We use in for months, for years, and for seasons. On, we use on for days, days of the week, and for dates. At, we use at for precise time, specific time. So, let's see here. First, I bought a new book on Saturday. I said that we use on for days and dates, in for months, and for seasons and for years, while at, we use at for precise time. So here we have Saturday. Saturday is a day. So we have to use what? of course, on Saturday. Number 2. Salim's birthday is May. May is a month. So here, with months, we have to use what? In or on or at? Of course, in. May. I usually go to sleep at 9 o'clock. We put at because 9 o'clock is a precise time. My birthday is 1st of July. With dates, we put on. So now we learned when to use in, on, at. Of course, we finished Unit 5, which was travel to explore. We learned all about the airport, what to do, what's inside an airport, what we need to travel, how can we travel, and we described all things inside an airport, and we learned how to ask and give directions. We talked about traveling and continents and places. This unit, it's about cultures and traditions. Of course, after traveling, we said that when we travel, either we travel for business, work, or to study abroad, or to learn about the country, the culture, and the traditions. Let's start with the first one. Our new vocab for today are: first, treasure. 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 Now, let's search for treasure in the dictionary. Open the dictionary app and write treasure. So, it's a noun. It means wealth or riches stored in the form of precious metals, money, jewels, or plate. It's also wealth, rich materials, or valuable things. The other word for today is compass. 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 Of course, you'll know what does compass mean by looking at the photo, but we're going to search for it in the dictionary. Now, open dictionary and write compass, and you'll find that it's a noun, an instrument for determining directions. Map. M-A-P. Map. Pond. P-O-N-D, pond. Now, after we learned about the new vocabulary today, which are compass and treasure, now we're going to listen to the audio, and you have to tell me how many times does the word treasure come up. How many times do you hear treasure in the audio? Are you ready? Okay.
Unit 7. An Arab Invention. Pages 2 and 3. Exercise 1. Listen and read.
Nasser, can you help me with my homework, please?
Yes. What are you doing?
I'm drawing a treasure map of the garden.
Where's the treasure?
It's in the north of the garden, but you are in the south. Here, take this compass and I'll give you directions.
Okay. How do I get there?
Go north. Walk 10 steps.
8, 9, 10. I'm at the end of the garden.
Good. Now turn right and walk east. 5 steps.
4, 5. Okay. I'm at the garden wall.
That's it. Now turn right and walk 3 steps southwest.
Which way is southwest?
It's between south and west.
All right. 1, 2. Oh!
Oh dear. I'll change it to 2 steps southwest. Sorry, Nasser. The treasure is under these flowers, next to the water.
It's old Kuwaiti stamps. Thanks, Sarah.
So, how many times did you hear the word treasure? Excellent. 3 times. The word treasure has been mentioned 3 times in the audio. After listening to the audio, can we now answer the following questions? Question number 1. The story takes place looking at the pictures. Where is the story takes place? A. At home. B. On the beach. C. In the park. D. At school. Of course, it's A. At home. Number 2. At the beginning of the story, Nasser was A. In the south of the garden. B. 3 steps from the pond. C. In the southwest of the garden. D. In the northeast of the garden. Excellent. It's A. In the south of the garden. 3. Sarah asked Nasser to A. Draw a treasure map. B. Help her with her homework. C. Give her directions. D. Give her a compass. Excellent. Help her with her homework. Now, let's listen again to the audio to answer these questions. Are you ready? Focus, please.
Unit 7. An Arab Invention. Pages 2 and 3. Exercise 1. Listen and read.
Nasser, can you help me with my homework, please?
Yes. What are you doing?
I'm drawing a treasure map of the garden.
Where's the treasure?
It's in the north of the garden, but you are in the south. Here, take this compass and I'll give you directions.
Okay. How do I get there?
Go north. Walk 10 steps.
8, 9, 10. I'm at the end of the garden.
Good. Now turn right and walk east. 5 steps.
4, 5. Okay. I'm at the garden wall.
That's it. Now turn right and walk 3 steps southwest.
Which way is southwest?
It's between south and west.
All right. 1, 2. Oh!
Oh dear. I'll change it to 2 steps southwest. Sorry, Nasser. The treasure is under these flowers, next to the water.
It's old Kuwaiti stamps. Thanks, Sarah.
Now, after listening to the audio, can we answer the questions? Question number 1. What did Sarah and Nasser use to find the treasure? They used a compass. Excellent. They used a compass. Now, when we write the answer, we have to use what? Capital letter at the beginning of the sentence and full stop at the end of the sentence. Excellent. Now, let's write the answer. They used a compass. Question number 2. What was the treasure in the story? Do you think it's a real treasure? Why? And if you don't, why not? The treasure was old Kuwaiti stamps. Excellent. Now, do you think it's a real treasure? Yes. Yes, of course, it's a real treasure. Why? Because it's our heritage. Excellent. Now, let's write the answer. The treasure was old Kuwaiti stamps. Do you think it's a real treasure? Yes, it is a real treasure. Why? Because it is our heritage. Excellent.